Hello, my name is Hugh McManus, and I'm the Vice President of Sales for Super Optical International. Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to run the FastGrind in-office lens surfacing system. FastGrind eliminates 9 pieces of expensive, space-consuming pieces of equipment traditionally used in conventional and free-form lens processing. FastGrind takes up less than 5 square feet and is configurable to any electric requirements in the US or worldwide, and just needs a water source and a drain. In fact, there's a water recirculating system available if water supply is a concern. The FastGrind Complete package consists of the FastGrind itself, a cabinet which holds all of your lap tools necessary for your prescription range, a all-in-one computer, digital thickness gauge, and all of the consumables needed to get started, making FastGrind truly plug and play. FastGrind is so reliable that we offer a lifetime warranty on all FastGrind parts, so you'll never have the expense of an on-site technician. FastGrind produces the latest in lens designs. The Advantage Plus digitally enhanced progressive starts at just $15 per pair, making FastGrind one of the most affordable systems you can have in your optical shop. In fact, surfacing just 1 pair of progressives a day can justify having the entire system. Now let's see how easy it is to operate.
You'll be able to select from a wide range of options such as clear hard coat, photochromic gray and brown, anti-blue light, polarized, and more, all with or without our premium super hydrophobic anti-reflection coating called Clarity. For this demonstration, we have specified our premium super hydrophobic AR. Here we have entered our frame's dimensions A, B, DBL, and ED so that the system can calculate the optimal lens thickness. The software automatically determines the base curve, which is a 525 for this prescription, and since it's a plus prescription, here it tells the operator that the final lens will have a 1.8 millimeter edge. If it were a minus prescription, it would calculate the center thickness instead. If this frame requires a groove, we could change the edge thickness to a 2.3 or 2.4 edge to leave room for the nylon string. To make this prescription, the system has calculated that we need a back curve of 362 by 412, so we select this tool from the cabinet below. It also shows that we need a front curve of 525 and an add power of 250, so we select a pair of Advantage Plus lenses with the proper base and add powers from our inventory. All FastGrind lenses come to you pre-blocked, ready to use. This eliminates costly equipment, skilled labor, time, and potential error. We are now ready to create the patient's prescription. The step-by-step software enables anyone to operate this system without prior experience by simply following the on-screen prompts. First, place the right lens in the red holder at axis 90. There is a reference line on every block. You rotate it over to 90 degrees, lock it in place, so the cylinder axis is now locked in. Repeat the same steps for the left lens. Next, the software tells us to take the selected tool and place it on the lap table, which is held in place by the built-in air compressor. We then place the coarse diamond pad on the tool, red for right, green for left. These coarse diamond pads will start the surfacing process and can be used several hundred times each. Now we are asked to put the lens holder on the system and clamp down on the corresponding tools, and then press the start button. We are now generating the curve of the tool into the lens to create the prescription. The computer set time will count down automatically. When the machine stops, the software will prompt us to remove the lenses and place them in the digital gauge in order to take a lens center thickness reading through the hole in the top of the lens holder. Once we have our reading, we push the gauge button, which will automatically send the gauge reading to the software. We then repeat the same steps for the left lens. We simply click the OK button to move to the next screen. The FastGrind operator is then directed to grind again and take one more gauge reading. Because we take 2 gauge readings, the finished thickness is extremely accurate, within hundredths of a millimeter. After 3 grinds, we will be ready to fine, smooth, and polish the lenses. After the coarse diamond pads, we now have our prescription and proper thickness, but we have some scratches that we need to take out. Scratch removal is a 2-step process. The software will direct the operator to remove the diamond pads and put the superfine pads on for 30 seconds. After the fining step, we will put the smoothing pads on the system. This will remove all of the scratches, getting the lenses ready for polish. We load the lenses back up and press start. After the 1-minute cycle, we remove the lenses and inspect them for scratches. The lenses are now scratch-free, and we can answer yes, they are scratch-free. If we had found some scratches and answered no, the directions on the screen would ask us to repeat the smoothing process. Next, we are directed to remove the smoothing pad and put on the polish pad. We dispense a little bit of polish on the pad, load our lenses back up, and press start. In this step, your FastGrind will initially operate at a lower speed and without water. Notice that it is very clean. There is no mess like with traditional surfacing. At the very end of the process, the computer will automatically turn on the water jets to clean the polish residue from the lenses and entire work area. We will now inspect them again for scratches. As you can see, we have a beautiful finish and they are scratch-free. We are now ready for deblocking. To deblock an AR lens, simply push lightly on the edge so that it will separate from the block. We now have a premium AR-coated lens ready for edging.
Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to hearing from you soon to discuss more about how FastGrind can help your business as it has so many other independent opticals around the world.